Archbishop Stephen Bafana Zondo and Pastor Lydia Malete's urgent interdict to stop the CRL Rights Commission investigating hearings into alleged philandering and financial misconduct at the rivers of living waters were dismissed. The pair claimed that the hearings had opened them up to public humiliation. Malete, a senior pastor in the church, was invited by the CRL Commission to give her testimony on Monday, but filed an urgent interdict with Zondo to stop the hearings in response. In his urgent application earlier this week, Zondo asked the court to stop the hearings because they had left him embarrassed and in physical danger.
Various witnesses are given evidence about and concerning the Archbishop and the church, amongst others, that the Archbishop, he is a witch. The Archbishop is corrupt. The Archbishop practices a cult. The hearings by the commission and substance of evidence openly incites violence against the church, its members, Bishop Zondo, and his family.
He also argued that the commission was not by law allowed to sit as a commission of inquiry.
The commission's conduct is alter vires, its power in terms of the act. It conducts itself as a commission of inquiry. And this is a power reserved only, or the power reserved for president in terms of section 84, 2F of the Constitution. The power of the commission to investigate any issue concerning the rights of religious communities should not expose people, clients, members, any person or property to any harm.
Judge Leonie Window told the court in her judgment that the allegations had been made in public before the investigative hearings took place in November, and that appearing before the commission will afford the pair the right to set the record straight. He said, quote, "In appearing before the commission, their right to dignity will not be unjustifiably limited. The applicant's sole complaint in this regard is that they will be embarrassed by having to answer questions in a statutory investigation. This is clearly insufficient. There is no reason they cannot testify in camera. The commission has already granted one application. Even if their complaint about dignity has merit, the in-camera testimony will entirely remove this concern," she said. Although Window dismissed the application with costs, Zondo and Malete's lawyers are not backing down and have asked to appeal the ruling. Zondo had also lodged a complaint with the Speaker of Parliament requesting that the Commission's chairperson, David Musoma, be investigated for misconduct under Section 17 of the CRL Act that will see him removed from office if found guilty.
After consultation with our lawyers this week, we have since lodged a complaint with the Speaker of the Parliament, Honorable Thandi Modise, against the CRL Commission members and its chairperson, Professor Luka Msoma. In our complaint, we have raised the following issues. In the hearings, various witnesses are given evidence about and concerning the Archbishop and the church, amongst others, that the Archbishop, he is a witch. The Archbishop is corrupt. The Archbishop practices a cult. This letter serves as an urgent request for the immediate cessation of these open hearings, as well as the request and investigation in terms of Section 17 of the Act concerning the conduct of the chairperson and the members of the commission. The request is for the establishment of an investigation for the removal of the chairperson and the members of the commission from the office.
In responding to papers, the CRI argued Zondo's right to dignity had not been infringed and that Zondo's application was not urgent. The appeal will be heard on Monday morning, just 4 hours before Malete is meant to give her testimony.